Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of photo editing with a fantastic tool called Remove.bg. This nifty website helps you remove backgrounds from images in a flash, and all you need is a web browser. So, if you've ever wanted to isolate a subject in a photo, change the background entirely, or create a transparent PNG image, then keep on watching. First things first, head over to Remove.bg in your web browser. The website is super clean and straightforward. Right in the center, you'll see a large button that says Upload Image. Click on that, and a File Explorer window will pop up. Navigate to the image on your computer that you want to edit. Once you've selected your image and uploaded it, Remove.bg works its magic. Literally, in just a few seconds, the website will process your image and display a new version with the background removed. You can see a preview of the transparent background behind your subject. Now, if you're happy with the results, you can download the image. There are different options depending on your needs. You can download it with a transparent background as a PNG file or with a white background, which is great for product listings or presentations. But wait, there's more. Remove.bg also allows you to fine-tune the results if the automatic background removal wasn't perfect. There are editing tools that let you erase any areas that the AI might have missed or restore areas that were accidentally removed. Overall, Remove.bg is a fantastic free tool that makes background removal quick and easy. Whether you're a casual user or a professional designer, it's a great addition to your editing toolkit. Be sure to visit our site, where we have collected thousands of services that use artificial intelligence, including alternatives to Remove.bg. Let us know in the comments below what kind of creative projects you'll be using this tool for, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.